What's up guys, it's Eddie B and today we'll see a Meccano F270 railroad crossing gate. As we can see, this crossing gate is consist of guardhouse, rail ramps, two pieces, rail signs for railroad crossings, platform for railroad crossing, and was the most important, a drawbar of lifting and lowering road ramps. Now let's put a train on it and see how it works. For demonstrator, we will use this F7 locomotive with caboose. Now we see the road ramps are lowering while train passes by, and after the train passes by, it goes back on. That's it. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.